From this question, we have been provided with a diagram of a cone. Water flows through a hole A at rate of 6 cm³ per second. Find the rate of change in height of the water when the volume of water in the cone is 24 pi cm³. So, from this question, we know that dV by dt equals to -6. We also know that V equals to 24 pi cm³. And this question asks us to find dH by dt. The water flows through a hole A at rate of 6 cm³ per second, and we need to find the rate of change of height of the water when the volume of the water is 24 pi. Firstly, to help us more understand on how to solve this question, we can sketch a cone. From this cone, we can get a right angle triangle that label with R and H. R stands for radius and H stands for height. We can get the angle here as 30 degrees because the question already provided us with the angle here 60 degrees. So after divided by 2, we can get 30 degrees here. From this right angle triangle, we can get tangent 30 degrees equals to R over H, where R is the opposite and H is the adjacent. The answer for this equation is 1 over √3. We shift H to the right and we will get R equals to H over √3. R stands for radius. As the question asks about the volume of the cone, we will get the volume of the cone, which is the equation is V equals to 1 over 3 pi R square H. We substitute the value of R we got just now into this equation, and we will get the answer as pi over 9 H³. We need to differentiate this equation, and we will get pi H square over 3. As the question already provided us with V equals to 24 pi, we need to compare this volume with the volume we got from the formula of cone. And then we can get that H equals to 6 after we calculate this equation. As the question asks us to find dH by dt, so we need to do a chain rule. We already got dV by dt from the question as -6, and we already have dV by dH. So, we need to substitute all the information we got into this equation. The final answer we got is dH by dt equals to -0.159 cm per second.